Hello friends, if you use MasterCard or Visa card, so this video for you, because today I show you how can you are just one mistake and you lost your money. So this happened with my friend, so today I share this happen all of you. Maybe in future this happen anyone, so you know lost your money. Okay, let's see what happened with my friend. So friends, my friend name Raj, just few days before he lost already 20,000. Just his one simple mistake, but lost 20,000. Few days before he buy online just one phone power bank. This one no very expensive. This one just only I think 150 or 200. So this power bank he order ready. So order after he receive also this power bank receive also ready. Then no anything happen. So this online shopping everything finish ready. But after this online shopping, 2 or 3 weeks after, he received a call. Then the person call him. He tell him you win prize 50,000 rupees. He tell him I am from Amazon employee. Then you have winning lucky draw. So people buy online something. Then we are choose 10%. Then this 10% we give 50,000 rupees. Obviously everyone happy. Listen this thing, I win 50,000. So my friend also thinking I really win this money. But you know this guy have a hacker. So my friend from India. But you know this happen not only India. This happen can all world, because hacker doing this trick worldwide. So any country, you from any country, this happen can also with you. So okay, I now tell you what happening. Then how to my friend lost this money. We are mostly use Visa card or MasterCard. So my friend also use a Visa card when he buy this power bank. So then hacker call him asking if you want take this money, so we are need take your bank detail. But this hacker very clever, he said him we are no take your all detail, you just give us your Visa card last 6 digit, because when you buy online, so your all card detail we are also have. So we are just confirm you are the same guy or not. So after my friend thinking also just 6 digit only this people asking. So my friend give ready the 6 digit. Then after this hacker also asking CVV code. So this 3 digit CVV code when tell him ready my friend. So after within I think 30 minutes or 40 minutes, this guy receive message 2 transaction, one time 10,000 and second time 10,000. So total 20,000 his account gone ready just within 40 minutes. So friends, I share this thing all of you, because maybe in future you also receive like this message or call also. So don't share your any bank detail. So just you can give only your bank account number you can give, meaning if you want to receive money, just only your bank account number or IFSC code. So these two things you can give. No problem, because your bank account number, if you tell anyone this one, no problem. But your Visa card or Mastercard, the 16 digit and CVV code and expiry date, these three things you no share anyone. Even you 6 digit also no share. Just now I tell you already about my friend just only give 6 digit and then lost 20,000 within 40 minutes. One more thing, some people receive sometime email or sometime message also, then there have one link have. So just the message have you click this link, then you get this thing, click this link, you can have get lucky draw like this. So you no need to click any unknown link, because when you click link, your all phone detail, your PC detail all transfer the who making this link, because mostly like this also many people lost the money. So friends, no click any link and no give anyone your bank detail, so you cannot lose your money. So remember, don't share your bank detail anyone online. Just only you use also your Visa card, Mastercard, the trusted site. No unknown site you know use your Visa card or Mastercard. Thanks for watching. Like or subscribe my channel.